guys, welcome to this channel. I am Jay, that random girl, and I make videos on makeup, fashion, haul, and many more things. And if you're seeing this face for the first time, do subscribe my channel. तो आज हम करने वाले हैं Get ready with me and creating this makeup look for Janmastami under 500 from Amazon. तो चलो शुरू करते हैं बिना किसी देरी के.
Dive into frozen waves where the past comes back to life.
So firstly I am applying a serum, a water based serum. It's from Plum. This is so nice. It's so water based. You can apply on your face before makeup. So yeah. Secondly, I am applying a lip balm to make my lips more moisturizing and nice. It's from Maybelline. This is so nice lip balm. You can use before night also as a skincare, but I am applying before makeup to make my lip more plumper and nice. Next, I am applying this pore minimizing primer from inside. This is so nice and this is so cute tiny bottle. They all are products under 500 rupees and it's a pore minimizer. Very nice, very lightweight formula product. I'm applying on my nose area and little bit on my mouth area. Next, I am using this inside color corrector. This is so nice and thick formula. It covers my all dark circles pigmentation, but I don't have more pigmentation. I have little bit of dark circles, so I am applying on my eyes, on the lower and the upper, on my lids. So yeah. Next, I am applying this foundation from Maybelline Fit Me. It's 128 shade and this is so nice. You can get a small version under 500. 128 my shade. This is so nice. It's cover my everything. I don't have that much need of coverage, but this is so nice for a proper traditional makeup. So yeah. Here I am using Mars foundation brush. This is so nice. You can get these from Amazon obviously. These brushes are so amazing. It's from Mars. Very nice and very thick brushes. So yeah, I'm using the foundation brush. And on brushes they have name written on it. And second, I'm using this concealer from Swiss Beauty. Shade is 05. This is also my favorite. This is I think my 10th bottle. Whatever, I don't even know. I repurchased this because this is the best concealer I used. So yeah. And I am applying on my high notes where I need a highlighting. So yeah, this is the beauty blender from Amazon. This is so fluffy and nice. So I'm applying this with beauty blender very easily. Next, I'm using this banana powder from inside. Basically, I'm setting my face, or you can say baking my face, to just not getting any kind of fall off from my eyeshadow. So yeah. Next, I am applying this Eyebrow Pencil from Swiss Beauty. This is so pigmented and very nice. It's not at all rough. You can apply easily and draw your eyebrows properly, and I really like this. And it has one spoolie also that makes your eyebrow more natural and nice. Next I'm using this Mars palette ultra pigment, so nice, literally ultra pigmented palette, and this has so much beautiful colors for this festival look, for Janmastami, for any other look. So I'm taking this ruby blue color and applying from Mars padding brush. It's very like a nice shade also to match my outfit, and then applying on my eyelid, all over my eyelid. This is so pigmented, not at all chalky. I thought it will be little bit of chalky, but not at all chalky. These are the best eyeshadow palette I have ever used, and these are like more of proper like pigmented, and I'm just using the other shade for my outer crease. It's yellow, and this is so nice and just blended. And now I am using eye glitter. This is also very nice but little bit of chalky, but I can work with it, and anyone can work with it. Beginners also can work with it. So yeah, this is so nice. I'm applying on my inner corners of the lid, and then I am just removing my baking from from my eyes and the on my cheeks also. So yeah. Next I am using this Maybelline eyeliner, Colossal eyeliner. This is the best eyeliner I have ever used. I like one more, I'll recommend you guys, but that is little expensive, so I'll use this one for like very less price. It's very dark and very nice. And then I am using Colossal mascara also. That's so nice, also makes your eyes like lashes more plumper, very nice longevity and more fuller. So I really like these mascara also. Next I'm applying contour from this palette. This contour you can get single pieces also, but I have the full palette, so I am using full palette. You can get one. They are little bit of chalky, but yeah, you can work with it. Like you can see the pigmentation. And then I am using, this is my favorite blush, Wet n Wild Mellow Wine. The shade name is amazing. I used I think 2-3 already. It's finished, and I really love this shade also. And now I'm using Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, the favorite, the OG one, and this is so nice. You can apply on your high bones, high cheeks. So yeah, this is the best highlighter, guys, you know, everyone. So yeah. So guys, next I'm using this LIA Just Do It. It's a very nice dewy makeup fixer, you can say mist also. Its shade is Blossom. This is so nice and so nice fragrance. It's a kind of Korean fragrance. I really appreciate it, and it makes my makeup more dewy. Next I'm using this Mars lipstick. It's a shade Girl Power. This is the brown nude shade, and my eyes are already so much glittery glamour, so I am using a nude lipstick, and this is the final look. So guys, होप यू लाइक दिस मेकअप लुक बिकॉज दिस थोड़ा तड़कता भड़कता, बिकॉज जन्माष्टमी या राधा कृष्ण का त्यौहार है ऑब्वियसली, तो इतना तो तड़कता भड़कता होना ही चाहिए. एंड yes, if you want to check out any products, you can check my description box and get them, and you can share with this video with your friends, family and anyone. So do subscribe and like, and thank you so much for watching. Love you. Bye.